Hey, what's up guys? Another vlog. Hopefully a vlog that we go through. Last vlog was kind of a flop, but I want to bring you guys this time around to shoot the Subaru that I'll be shooting tonight or this afternoon. It's located at like a shopping center, so hopefully we don't get kicked out, but the lighting there is like pretty perfect. But yeah, let's go. So we just got here and we're scouting for the locations. It's pretty dead, but we're waiting for, I guess, to get more dark, right? Yeah, so far, not bad. A little bit of cars everywhere, but I think we'll do pretty good. Damn, so clean. Just park here for now. I'll give it about 15 minutes and I think we're good. And now we're gonna go film his car. Got him parked up under the ramp, so it should be good. Yeah, that's like we holy shit. Oh my god. Jesus, bringing back memories, huh? Westlakes, I didn't think Westlakes would be like this. It's like an Elizabeth thing. Like shit. Yeah. Please be still. My arms are killing.
Steady by holding it.
It's just because I have little twig arms, bro. That's why. If my arms were so twiggy, it'd be alright. But like, that's the problem we have right now. It's being skinny as shit. We'll go opposite side. So I'm gonna come. Yeah, just tell him once more. We'll switch sides. Alright, so we just got done filming at the first location. Now we're gonna head over and film the rollers. Hopefully, yeah, the camera doesn't fall out and we don't get fucked. But yeah, see you guys there. Just finished up the shoot. Sorry I didn't vlog much. I kind of got carried away. I just wanted to make sure that this video was all good and dandy. But yeah, I just finished. Probably just gonna go home now and fucking edit my heart's content. But if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, you know, all that shit. I'll see you guys later. Peace.